Hi, friends! Whoa! Did you hear that? That was a But why do we hiccup anyway? Well, inside your chest, there's a big muscle called the diaphragm. It's like a trampoline for your lungs. Sometimes it gets a little jumpy, like when you eat too fast, drink fizzy soda, or even get excited. It jumps and boing! It makes your lungs squeeze and you suddenly suck in air. Your voice box slams shut and it goes, Hit! That's your body saying, oops, slow down, buddy. Isn't that hilarious? Next time you hiccup, just remember, it's your body's silly way of saying hello. Bye-bye, little brainiacs. Don't hiccup too much.